Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your heart display is experiencing frequent glitches, synchronization problems, slow performance, or you simply want to start fresh with the device, performing a reset can often help restore everything back to normal. A reset can clear temporary issues and provide the heart display with a clean starting point. Whether you're troubleshooting a problem or preparing the device for a new setup, the process is usually straightforward. Fortunately, you don't need advanced technical knowledge to complete it. In this video, I'll walk you through several easy steps that can help you reset your hearth display properly. Try these. Step 1. Make sure the hearth display is powered on and functioning before starting the reset procedure. Step 2. Open the settings menu available on the hearth display and navigate to the device options. Step 3. Locate the reset feature provided within the hearth display settings. Step 4. Confirm the reset request on the hearth display when prompted to proceed. Step 5. Allow the hearth display enough time to erase settings and restart automatically. Step 6. Set up the hearth display again and verify that everything is operating normally after the reset.